Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to use keyboard shortcuts to navigate in Word. You can use keyboard shortcuts to easily navigate through the entire document. This can save time if you have a long document and don't want to scroll or just want to easily navigate between words or sentences. So like and subscribe, thank you so much, let's get started. Ctrl plus right arrow and Ctrl plus left arrow. Move one word to the right or left. Ctrl plus up arrow and Ctrl plus down arrow. Move up or down one paragraph at a time. End. Move to the end of the current line. Home. Jump to the beginning of the current line. Ctrl plus End. Go to the end of the document. Ctrl plus Home. Go to the beginning of the document. Page down and page up. Move down or up one screen. Alt plus Ctrl plus page up and Alt plus Ctrl plus page down. Move to the top or bottom of the current work screen. F5. Open the search dialog box with the Go tab selected, so that you can quickly navigate to a specific page, section, bookmark, and etc. For example, I'll select page 2 or 3. It should be noted that the transition will be made if these text elements are in your document. Now you know a little more. Thank you so much for watching and leave your questions in the comments if you have any, and see you later.